Good morning, students. Today, first of all, I welcome you in the academic year 2020-21's semester 3, paper number 5th. Dear students, we the we means the management of Vivekananda Shikshan Sanstha have decided to go through online video lectures due to the pandemic of COVID-19. It's impossible for you to come regularly to the college and attend the classes. So, this is one option, keeping in mind your study and the time. So, first of all, I will welcome you all in the same third of BA second year. Dear students, last year you have also studied 4 papers of 2 of literature and 2 of language. So, in the 2 papers of literature you have studied novel, plays, poetries like Shakespeare's sonnet, Keats' odes, plays like Arms and Man, novel like Guide, and some background topic like what is meant by novel, its types, guides, what is meant by ode, what is meant by sonnet, what is meant by comedy, and so on. So, this year we in the paper 5 going to study literature and English from 1550 to 1750. In the previous year of BA first year, such a division of literature is not done. But this year, the literature is divided into the periods. Paper 5th is of the literature from 1550 to 1750, and the paper number 6 is from 1750 to 1900. These 2 papers, paper 5th and 6th, totally devoted to the only British literature from its establishment of 16th century to the Romantic age. So, we have in unit first, which is of background study, and in the background study means the same background topics are prescribed for our study. So, unit first background study first centers on the essay. Essay means prose, and the longer narrative extension form of this essay means novel. You can also call it fiction. So, the essay you have to study what is by essay, from where the term essay came, what are the types, what is the definition of the essay, how it is originated, and how many kinds of essays. For example, we can simply say philosophical essay, social essay, and so on. Then you have the epic. Epic is the sacred form. Spiritually, they text which devoted to the goddess. For example, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Quran, Guru Granth Sahib, and so on. So, what is meant by epic means its definition, conventions, how conventions mean traditional approach, then kinds of epics. For example, epic of growth, art, and finally mock epic. For your syllabus, one mock epic is prescribed entitled as Alexander Pope's Rape of the Lock, which comes in unit 3. Then after this unit first, essay and EP, which is for 10 mark. You will be asked one question on the essay and the second with internal choice on the epic. Highlight the definition of epic, comment on the mock epic, or what are the kinds of essays. Means on these two topics of unit first, you will be asked two questions and you have to attempt one, and that will be for 10 mark, right? 10 mark for unit 1. You have to, though they have provided 2, you will attempt or you have to attempt on 1, that will be for 10 mark. Then in unit 2nd, we have Francis Bacon's essays. Francis Bacon is a well-known British writer, philosopher, social reformer, very well highlights his philosophy, experiences, livelihood, and so on through his essays entitled as Bacon's Essays. And for us, 5 essays for this semester. We have of friendship, of love, of study, of parents and children, and of revenge. All these 5 essays are full with experience, knowledge, philosophy, and being a social human being, they teach us what to do and what not. What is important, what's not. What to be followed and what not. That he very well expresses through the well-known philosophical essay like of friendship. Then he also highlights his experiences on love, though it suits very well in the theaters, cinemas, not in the real life. So he highlights very well-known message to the learners like you, how many friends you ought to be, he explains through friendship. You must be totally away from love. Otherwise, you will be destroyed. That he very well highlights. And being a student, you have only to focus on study. He very well highlights through the essay of study and the various techniques of study and how study is important and what it gives to you, that he very well focuses through the essay. Then you have of parents and children. Many times what happens, being the students, you are very well unknown about the efforts of the parents. So, the condition, situation, and overall nature of the parents you will come to know when you become the parent, but till then it makes more delay. So, prior to that, Francis Bacon very well explores the role of the parent toward the children and how children have to perform or perform their role, that he very well expresses through of parents and children, one of the very bitter experienced essay. Then finally Francis Bacon expresses the idea of revenge through the essay of revenge, because many philosophers ideology says Kshama Virasya Bhushanam. And here Francis Bacon also of the same opinion and says, though revenge is a wild justice, but you be away from that. Otherwise, you will lose whatever you have in the process of revenge. So, what the well known Prince Hamlet has lost his kingdom, his life, and everything in the process of revenge, that Shakespeare, in his well known play Hamlet, explains. Beside this, unit first, which is of 10 mark, then unit second, which is for 20 mark. Here also, out of these 5 essay, you will be asked 2 questions, and out of 2 you have to attempt only 1, and that will be for 20 mark. Maybe the answer must be in more than 300 words. And here, for example, you will be asked one separate question on one essay, maybe highlight the importance of friendship according to Francis Bacon, or comment on Francis Bacon's idea of love through the essay of love, and the same like that. Or sometimes you will be asked one question centering on the 5 essays, and that will be comment on Francis Bacon's philosophy through the essays you have studied. So, you have to blend the philosophy of all the 5 essays altogether, and then you have to express what Francis Bacon want to say. Right? After this unit second, you have the unit third. Unit third, based on Alexander Pope's masterpiece mock epic Rape of the Lock, which highlights the 18th century political, historical, cultural happenings, because Francis Bacon highlights his philosophy of the 17th century, while Alexander Pope in his Rape of the Lock comments on the 18th century people, their characteristics, their natures and so on. This also is for 20 mark and you will be asked two questions on this. Comment on the rape of the lock as a satire or comment on the philosophy of Alexander Pope reflected in the rape of the lock. So, out of these two, you have to attempt one and that will be for 20 marks. So, this way that unit third which I have discussed here is also very well known unit and you might have known that Alexander Pope and his time is also a classical time in the British literature and time and his text Rape of the Lock which is for 20 mark like the unit. Second is a very well known masterpiece which is known as the mock epic. Mock means ridiculous, thatta, maskari. That which is against the epic because Alexander Pope has tried to follow the conventions of the epic in the mock epic, but mock epic is completely against the epic, in which comment on the hollowness of the human being, sarcastic natures, satiric comment, drawbacks of the people are very well exposed in the unit. So, dear students, in short, we have first the background study in which we have to study essay, the epic, their definitions, kinds, origins, conventions and so on. So, first before studying the essay, we will study the Francis Bacon first. Once you study all the 5 essays of Francis Bacon, then you will easily came to know what is meant by essay. How many kinds of essays have? So, first we will discuss the essays, begin with of study or of friendship or whatever may be. You will come to know the nature of essays, the types of essays, the philosophy that appears in the essays, then it stands as a kind philosophical essays and so on. We will study first the essays of Bacon begins with of study. Then you will automatically come to know the essay. Then after the 5 essay, we will study the unit third known as Rape of the Lock by Alexander Pope. Once you study this long narrative mock epic by Alexander Pope, which is a very longer poem, then you will come to know what is meant by the epic, its definitions, its conventions, kinds of growth, kinds of epic of growth, art and mock epic. You will very well come to know the unit first, second topic, the epic, once you study the Rape of the Lock in detail. And once you study all this, which is for 50 marks, because in this essay epic on anyone, if you try write well, you will get maximum marks out of 10. Then this will be for 20 marks. And because these are very and very easy, simple to understand, and easy to write and present. So you will score well in Beckon also. And once you come to the Rap of the Law by Alexander Pope, you will also came to know the British high class society of the time of Alexander Pope, how the natures of the people of high class, their interest, their nature of work, their sources, their enjoyments, each and everything Alexander Pope very well expresses through the Rape of the Lock by giving a simple issue of the rape of the lock, the high class Belindas. And the Baron, the Robert Peter, cuts the lock of hair of Belinda, and the quarrel between the two families of Peter and Belinda took place. And to calm and cool and stop this quarrel in between these two families belongs to the Pope's faith. Alexander Pope tried at his level best his attempts through rape of the lock. So, dear students, in short, your paper 5th syllabus is divided into unit 1, 2 and 3, which are quite simple, easy to understand and easy to follow the principles. So, here I stop with this. In the further class, we will begin with of study by Francis Bacon. Thank you very much.